finally na-evict na natin si Ikit from this house.
She must be overwhelmed with guilt. Ang hindi niya alam, prior to the accident, wala na talagang bata.
I'm afraid I have some bad news, Mrs. Carinal. The ultrasound shows no fetal cardiac activity. It's an indication na hindi po nagpo-progress ang pregnancy niyo. It's as if you have suffered a silent miscarriage.
Miscarriage? Pero hindi naman po ako naka-experience ng bleeding.
A silent miscarriage can happen without any obvious symptoms gaya ng heavy bleeding or cramping. I recommend that you undergo dilation and curettage procedure para ma-extract ang mga natitirang pregnancy tissue sa mattress mo.
Doc, I think I need some time to consider my options. I'm not comfortable with the idea of any surgical procedure right now.
Kung makaka-experience ka ng heavy bleeding or severe cramping, please contact me right away.